Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow is the ultimate mid-tower PC case for enthusiasts who demand a balance of performance, style, and ease of build. Designed with airflow in mind, its striking perforated panels allow your components to stay cool under load while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Equipped with 3 high-quality 120mm intake fans, the H7 Flow delivers exceptional thermal performance, making it an ideal choice for gamers, creators, and PC builders seeking a reliable cooling solution. Beyond airflow, the H7 Flow impresses with its premium build quality and meticulous fit and finish. The tempered glass side panel showcases your build while allowing easy access for upgrades or maintenance. Cable routing is streamlined and intuitive, enabling a clean, professional-looking setup without the hassle. With ample room for ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, the H7 Flow accommodates long graphics cards up to 410mm, tall CPU coolers up to 185mm, and multiple radiators for liquid cooling setups. Front panel connectivity is versatile, including USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and HD audio, so you can plug in peripherals with ease. 7 PCI expansion slots and multiple storage bays support both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives, making this case as practical as it is stylish. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Turn building a PC into an enjoyable project with the Qube 500 DIY PC case. Designed for both beginners and seasoned builders, this compact chassis combines playful style with practical functionality. Its attractive, colorful design makes it stand out on any desk, while its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability for your components. The Qube 500 isn't just a case, it's a project you can assemble and customize, making your PC build as memorable as it is functional. Supporting ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, the Qube 500 accommodates full-size power supplies and graphics cards up to 368mm in length. With room for CPU coolers up to 175mm tall and multiple storage options, including 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives, this case balances compact size with versatile hardware support. A tempered glass side panel lets you showcase your build, and swappable face panels allow you to refresh its look whenever inspiration strikes. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, and HD audio ports, making it easy to plug in peripherals and accessories. The case comes pre-installed with a 120mm fan for reliable cooling, with additional positions for up to 3 120mm or 140mm fans for enhanced airflow. Measuring 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches and weighing just 17 pounds, the Qube 500 is compact yet capable, perfect for a fun DIY build or a family project. Enjoy above-average value, creative flexibility, and a unique PC building experience with the Qube 500, where assembling your case is just as exciting as assembling your PC. Number 3. BUEN A3. The BUEN A3 Micro ATX PC case punches well above its weight class, offering exceptional performance in a compact, stylish package. Slightly larger than a typical micro ATX chassis, the A3 gains extra space that translates to better thermal performance and easier component installation, perfect for builders who want a small footprint without compromise. Its distinctive BUEN design combines elegance and functionality, making it a standout on any desk or workstation. Built for micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, the A3 supports GPUs up to 340mm, CPU coolers up to 162mm, and ATX power supplies up to 200mm. Storage options are flexible, with 2 3.5-inch and 3 2.5-inch internal bays, allowing you to combine SSDs and HDDs for optimal performance. A tempered glass side panel lets you showcase your build, while the single included 120mm fan with addressable RGB lighting ensures a visually appealing and thermally efficient setup. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, and HD audio, giving you easy access to peripherals and external devices. The top-mounted power supply design and clever cable management options make assembly straightforward and maintain a clean interior. Measuring 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighing 11.6 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3 is compact yet capable, offering a perfect balance of style, functionality, and performance. Ideal for performance-conscious builders and upgraders seeking a space-saving PC case that delivers both aesthetics and thermal efficiency. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. Get premium features without breaking the bank with the View 270RG ARGB ATX PC case. Designed for gamers and PC builders seeking exceptional value, this case combines style, functionality, and affordability in one sleek package. Its eye-catching colored finish, available in vibrant green, hydrangea blue, or classic white, ensures your build stands out, while the wraparound tempered glass side panel lets you proudly display your components. The View 270RG supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, making it versatile for a wide range of builds. With room for GPUs up to 428mm and CPU coolers up to 180mm, it can accommodate high-performance components. 3 included addressable RGB fans provide striking lighting effects, while additional fan positions and dust filters at every fan location ensure excellent cooling and cleanliness. Storage options include 2 3.5-inch and 2 2.5-inch internal bays, giving you flexibility to mix SSDs and HDDs as needed. Front panel connectivity is modern and convenient, featuring USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A, and HD audio ports. The bottom-mounted ATX power supply keeps cable management simple and efficient, while the spacious interior allows for clean builds even in a compact footprint. Measuring 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighing just 14 pounds, the View 270RG ARGB offers premium features, impressive airflow, and a standout aesthetic, all at a budget-friendly price under $100. Elevate your build with a case that proves style, performance, and value can coexist. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. The Lian Li DAN A3-mATX PC case is a masterclass in compact, versatile design. Created in collaboration with DAN Cases, a respected German chassis maker, this micro ATX case delivers impressive features in a size that's perfect for most modern builds. It's slightly larger than ultra-compact cases, but still space-conscious, offering room for high-performance components without dominating your desk. Its careful balance of size, functionality, and value earned it an Editor's Choice Award. Supporting micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, the DAN A3 can accommodate GPUs up to 425mm and CPU coolers up to 165mm. It supports ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies, with front-mounted placement for efficient airflow and easy cable management. Storage is flexible, with 1 3.5-inch bay and 3 2.5-inch bays, while 4 PCI expansion slots allow a variety of build configurations. Optional tempered glass side panels showcase your components, though the case is designed for substance over flash, emphasizing solid construction and practical layout. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A, and HD audio, keeping peripherals and accessories easily accessible. For fan positions and included RGB fans ensure effective cooling while enhancing your build's visual appeal. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing just 10.8 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX strikes the perfect balance between compact size, performance, and value. Ideal for general use builds, this case is a reliable choice for micro ATX enthusiasts seeking quality, flexibility, and thoughtful design.